all of you hopefully know, the Pacific Ocean is the largest body of water on Earth. It covers approximately 60 million square miles, or 46% of the Earth's surface. And that sometimes makes us wonder, why exactly the Earth is not called the ocean?
If you think that the Pacific Ocean doesn't affect you or your life, you are wrong.
Absolutely every creature on Earth, whether it's a plant or a human, is desperately connected to and dependent upon the existence of the Pacific Ocean.
Water is the key to life. With it, everything is possible. Without it, life does not exist. Think about the enormousness of the Pacific Ocean. Its depth can reach about 11,000 meters deep.
People think it doesn't matter how much we put into it or take out. Well, it does.
Do you ever wonder where our oceans take all our waste?
An estimated of 3.5 million of trash reside in the landfill of the Pacific Ocean, which is the result of the currents pulling it into it.
It has been established where all our waste gathers, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's so immense that Texas can fit 2 times into it. Part of the waste comes from ships and the other part comes from the landscapes. An interesting fact is that 90% of it all is plastic.
Sometimes you think that you cannot and you will not make a difference. Dumping one plastic water bottle in the trash can instead of recycling it will not affect anyone, you think. 90% of the big fish that existed in 1950s is now gone. The other 30,000 will be gone in the next 50 years. An interesting and terrifying thing about plastic is that once it has been established, it doesn't go away. Its presence on Earth grows by 300 million tons each year. The harm that humans are causing to the ocean is inverse. Eventually, it comes back to us in the form of food filled with toxins or polluted atmosphere. The ocean is not only useful for its economic means, such as transportation, minerals, oils, and gas, but it also drives our weather, regulates our temperature, and absorbs much of carbon dioxide, and also contains a diversity of life, and it's in trouble.
Therefore, we are. We look at marine pollution and just stare and point fingers. No one actually stands up and says, we need to do something about this. You know that water bottle you just threw away on the street carelessly, not thinking of where it may go? What if that piece of trash caused harm to an innocent animal? Would you like it if someone were to drop trash on you in your home? Probably not. Could have just put it in the recycle bin without any effort. Here's some other ways to help. Number 1.
Start using more eco-friendly products. Did you know that last year Americans used 50 billion water bottles? The U.S. recycling rate is only 23%, which means that 38 billion plastic water bottles are being wasted each year. Number 2.
If you live near the coast, organize a beach cleanup. This can reduce the amount of trash making its way to the ocean. Number 3.
If you don't live near the coast, just take care of your local stream or the storm drain. Remember that those things lead to the ocean. Number 4.
Recycle. If you're using plastic, make sure it goes in the right place. While you're at it, advise other people to do it.